Synconics technology. This video all about product package in sales module Odoo 17. So how to manage your product package and packaging in Odoo 17. Product packaging in used package varied amount of same product in single package that contains several units of a same product. So let's start configuring product package. Go to sales module, go to configuration. Under configuration, go to setting and see this product catalog. Under product catalog, product packaging. Once it is done, you can simply save it. Now simply you can go to product menu, create new product. Create a new product. Suppose name bottle. A storable product, and you can go to inventory tab. Under inventory tab, scroll down and you can see this packaging. You can add a line pack of of 12, okay, and use contain units of 12, okay. So you can also, and here you can configure 12 unit of measure, and you can enable sales module. You can also enable working this packaging purchase modules, okay. So both modules working on packaging, product packaging. So after saving the detail, configure product packaging to sales product in enabling product packaging option inside product catalog tab, and choose any particular product and create a new product. So make product packaging, for example, with item and quantity measurement unit of specified produce and specified quantity view in sales and purchase, both module work, okay. So what application this package can be applied? This facility sales will and purchasing, giving buyer seller of good packets are more adaptable method of doing business. So let's create new sale order. Create quotation. Product packaging facility. So create a new quotation, simply adding a customer, deco edit, adding our product bottom. Okay, so simply you can see this packaging and package pack of 12. Our configuration. This product is see this warning. This product is packed by 12 units. You should sell of 12 units. Okay. So you can simply save and create all quantity 12. You can save it. You can see this packaging, one packaging pack of 12 and 12 units. You also increase quantity, you can check, you can simply save. You can see packaging 2 packaging. So confirm this product. Hope it is clear, and hope it is clear of a product packaging, how to work of product packaging in sales module. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any query and business regarding, then please let us know. Have a nice day. If any further information, go to our website synconics.com, and any query, so drop your mail. Our mail ID is contact@synconics.com, and contact us for free demo. We also available on Skype and WhatsApp, please. Thank you.